gang in Monosabu.
Wow.
To all the teachers and the students tuning this morning. Kita sapa ada sini kemudian mata kabinaka di kuah.
Right.
Era nonton kono porta. Era binaka Illinois, era binaka Demesi.
Yan Rabinaka, saying good morning and greeting everyone who are tuning in this morning. It is a wonderful morning, another sunny day.
Right.
If we look outside, we are so happy with the weather
Whoa.
that has been provided to us by our Heavenly Father.
Good morning, brother.
Who?
John Kumar.
Oh, good morning, brother. Good morning, my brother.
Era binaka kita nandabito lili to all the drivers tuning this morning. Era binaka era buribito kani. Era nonton bito lingon di sala. Suba kina esas bagara.
Right.
Kakir bikin bentuk squad maya esas bagara ngoleh kami suba. Era binaka sabu-sabu number 8. Ke Lembasa.
Ho.
Ni ada binaka talaga.
Mula Menaka to the Hibiscus Highway.
Woi.
January, rasema tumekina. This morning, not forgetting Ezi Lebula,
Iya.
Sela Lenge Balu.
President Plaza in Suba, Pramendra Singh, and the Leo and Nikki
Oi,
are
Lei.
saying very good morning this morning. Manu ni binaka and bukun ni betoka ni bekem nikat sarweka and ninto betul tong mai and mataka ni bengar rabi ni kuwa. It's a Wednesday. It's
Yeah.
Wednesday morning.
Yeah.
And Wednesday is like the middle of the week.
Yeah.
Middle day of the week.
Right.
So we are nearing the end of the week, and that's why we are so happy.
Okay.
Explain.
We should
How?
be happy.
Tie the knot.
Tie the knot is the type of knot where you tie your knot on somebody else.
Right. My.
When you crossbreed.
Yeah.
When you crossbreed one breed to another.
Right.
So you are tying the knot
Tie
of
the umbilical
nobody can surrender you from what you tie.
Right.
Tama what?
Oh, okay. I thought
Sitting
you.
on not
Yung
even.
besar nga.
I thought you tie your umbilical cord.
At the umbilical cord may vary.
Okay.
Come.
From that knot of the tying of each other, the body texture and the loving each other.
Two.
Let's move on to the tying the knot of the knot.
All right. This is a type of knot.
Like the scouting one.
The scouting knot.
How many you know?
There are so many knots we know.
Yeah.
One is a vesudori. This is a tying knot.
What?
Vesudodi.
Vesudori.
Oi. Right.
Vesudori. Vesudori, Kongo, this is a kind of knot that tie and keep on tie. The more you move, the more tight.
Okay, accent in the video, please.
The more you tight, and one side of the knot will be
Right.
coming outside. If nothing is there, when you pull the thing, Andre, tasere.
Okay.
So
okay.
if something is there, when the thing is tight,
Yeah.
and you try to tie, the more you move, the more the tight turn itself.
Right.
Yeah, that's the tying the knot.
Yeah.
One is pollen.
Right.
Now which is pollen.
Yeah.
Pollen, yeah.
The which is pollen, we use this on the neck of the bull macao.
Yeah.
Okay.
Neck of the bull macao, on the leg of the pig.
Yeah.
You tie the knot there.
Pamadalta ka. The end of the
Iyo.
bring it back.
Right.
Pamadalta ka. Yeah.
First of all, tandali.
Yeah.
Right.
You have to burn the tandali.
Yeah.
Menda uba kamay na mo nindali so that it can mekakunta sere.
Right.
Right.
Because tandali, it's forming of different kind of string
Right.
that tying together, mera talibata,
Right.
then forming andali.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever you tie the thing, so you come, you tie musuka na muana,
Yeah.
so that it can be because sometimes different kind of ndali sting, so era CCC, so era rough. So the CCC one is good to tie on the end of the ndali.
Yeah.
So when you tie on something like the Swiss pollen,
Yeah.
the pollen use another hole. Baka may bangkarta ka ng tali so that you can insert the end of the string
Ayaw.
so that it can tie. But I think it's different from the vesudori.
Right.
When you vesu nga mango, ang nga you vesu, that thing stop, can't move.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why we can't move from the head of the kettle or the bull macau.
What about half knot?
Have not. This eraw wiwa kiba kami raw wingalingali
Right.
Yeah.
nandali.
All right.
From one side to another.
Yeah.
Meraw wiswata.
Rift knot.
Reef knot is a kind of knot. And then hindi pa madalta ka ba? Unless
Hey, this is the Outs Palangi show.
Unless
every word will be okay because kung harus palang iso.
Because
what?
it's good.
strings.
It's good.
Two, no.
Two string.
Right.
Two string go together and doing the riff note.
Iya.
It's like the Bish Newto.
Iya.
You whole.
Iya.
Merong gara mga ruwa.
The whole. Iya. Iya.
Merong gara mga ruwa.
Yeah.
Then you insert on something like the uto.
Yeah.
When you soak the uto, kona kena indumbi.
Iya. Iya.
Yeah, you put inside. Then you take.
Yeah.
Sometime you put on the bottle.
Iya.
Let's you can put there the Bish Newto.
Right.
Hey, Sri Lalasika, good
There's another note
morning.
here. We would like to know the ka.
IK913.
Fisherman's note.
Fisherman's not this one for the
The scout.
The kele.
Yeah.
Kele
Yes.
to the boat.
Iya.
That's different kind of knot you apply there. There's so many knot.
Yes.
Some knot I know is a knot.
Eh.
Yeah. Because different kind of knot, especially
Yeah.
the people in the sea, they use many.
Right.
Especially to the boys who doing the
Seamen, eh?
Seamen.
Okay, this one.
Because they use in the Wanisiwa.
Okay. Right, sir nga. Go with
Right.
one issue because you know where the one issue best. The type of knot you do in the fishing, the hook.
The Japan knot.
Huh?
The Japan knot.
Yeah.
Daw wadana to na biswiswa chapani.
Okay.
Tiyo na Wanisiwa ni chapani. This is the strongest fishing line.
Yeah.
The one in chapani. So we have the kind of knot that we are using in.
Right.
Depending on what kind of fish you want to catch. Eh?
Right,
If
right.
you see the ongo.
Right.
The ongo ko yung batinga-tangata.
Yeah.
So we will use the kind of knot that you use in the fish
Fishing market.
number tinsiwa.
Yeah.
Use number tinsiwa menga ingali na kemay.
Yeah. Carry on.
70 na mawin raw bulag ka mo raw.
Yeah.
Iya.
Right.
That's the kind of knot. Mortara mo ngay wabu kita baka may bibingan na kemay. The whole konangara
What
ledu. Na
This
whole
is
may na
the
batinisiwa.
second time you mentioned the whole.
Ini bangara na makan batinisiwa.
Right.
Batinisiwa. Ongala ingara makalake may ndo talangara ko chiko idake.
Satolu.
Ngara menawan si ote the new pool. The new pool, the thing will stretch down. Kaya doon rendeki na for the fish to musuka the batin na wansiwa.
Oh, no. We keep looking at the knot and mataka ni garab ni kuha.
Any
But
other
the
knot?
next one is the tie the knot.
Yeah.
Eh?
The knot is a kind of knot that knows from up above,
Yeah.
Right.
knows from anyone, and who got the right to come and break the knot. Eh?
Okay. All right. Don't go minaka. Last two questions.
Right, come.
During the bagamau.
Yeah.
Okay.
During the bagamau, when
Yeah.
you wear the sulbaktonga, what kind of knot?
The kind of knot is insetting the knot. Motaranga ba durma yani? Ni okay si ribano, to tara satu na kani duru-duru. Tara ba duru makondre. Ya sana kay.
Siguro John Kumar, wawa, may mga duro na knot.
Ya sana kay hindi na kinokona sir sa ongo.
Yeah.
I believe in you.
I don't believe in superstars, organic foods and foreign cars. I don't believe in price of gold, that certainty of growing old. That right is right and left is wrong, that north and south can get along, that east is east and west is west, and being first is always best. But I believe.
Who's want to not me? Sabi na wala usar sa mamulimay, katungan ni Benenderbaki, siya ni wuli na nakalinot, nakatungan may kadibibu gitu bikin, so nga na noten dakila to, so kita siya
But
dakila
why
to.
do
Yeah.
they measure the wind in knots?
They measure the wind knot depending on the kind of radar they are using.
Right.
Matanggali machine bata but they are using.
Yeah.
Because the knot, different word is different organization they come from.
Right.
If you see the thermometer, you
Yeah.
can use thermometer in the rugby unless you
Telescope.
put on the it's different. Because different people, different
Not.
they have in responsibility.
Dina sar.
Right.
Bila ko kimno kada sa coach kan ang ital no ni not pati kina kya na vi matagal ni
Ni besu-besu.
Besu-besu, so dawiri rua, so dawiri tolu, so revela tai, so
Tigo na besu-besu nimbuka.
Iya,
Tigo na
besu-besu
besu-besu
nimbuka.
nindalo.
Dalo.
Tigo na besu-besu pandangan ni motor ni besu kenandalo.
Right,
Because sometimes na bawe, na
Iya.
bondo sisi.
right.
Ndiko sona besu-besu nindalo nda besu bango gaito tia taseretale.
Iya,
Pambibi na kato na market.
Iya.
Ninda mangatakin na besu-besu ni uto.
Iya.
Mo besu kina nandalo.
iya.
Nrenga bakan do tu bakan do na ndali.
Iya, kau runa ring
Iya rona ring.
Runa ring kero kamera vela time off.
Right.
Ya kau bisa kero batas.
Besu nimbuka.
Iya.
Tigo na besu-besu ni uto. Tigo na besu-besu ni China, melili dake.
Na besu-besu ni ndai ni manibusi.
Oh, ngo besu dori.
Iya,
Ko bakata kana wa buaka.
iya.
Na wika mana.
Iya.
Ko rake dera da kamendai.
Iya.
Era besu dori. Bale tangona ngai darin bakina ko automatic
Iya. Kill the trigger. Berarti kita kita lo tali suka nama tali mata kan untuk tali nanon tangon baru takian ouch palang isu. Meta pernah